I want to share with you all my experience as a family lawyer in helping my clients deal with their children arrangements. Now, as a parent myself, I know that nothing stirs the emotions more so than talking about your children. But throw into the mix talking about them with your ex-partner, the mother, father of your children, with whom you harbour some very challenging feelings as a result of the breakdown of your relationship. But then throw in there the fact that you cannot agree on anything relating to your children. There may be issues such as who they live with, who they spend time with and how frequently do they see them, where they go to school, medical treatment, where they go on holiday, how frequently they go on holiday, relocation within the UK or relocation abroad. If you have different views to one another, this can make life really hard. Organising your children at the best of times is difficult, let alone in these circumstances. So, where do you start? Well, if you can talk about your differences between yourselves, then great. Let the other parent know in advance what you want to discuss. Agree on a time and a meeting place. Be open and honest about your feelings and what your issues are. But above all, be respectful and constructive. Remind one another that the welfare and well-being of your children is the most important thing, and keep that at the forefront of all your discussions. So if you think you need a bit of help in addressing these issues, someone there to facilitate the discussion, help you find that common ground, you've got a few options. You could involve a mediator. You could seek the input of a child specialist. You could invite the other parent to sit around the table or the virtual table with your lawyers present to address and resolve the issues. You could agree to work collaboratively, which again involves sitting around the table or the virtual table with your lawyers present, and you commit to work as a team to resolve the issues. And lastly, if you're really struggling to find common ground, or the complexities are so great, both in terms of the issues you're addressing and the emotions involved, then you may have to make a court application in order to seek judicial input. It's not a nice thought, but court doesn't have to mean a massive battle. It can and should be used as a constructive means to resolution, particularly if it's dealt with sensibly on both sides. So whatever the issues you're facing, don't put them off. Deal with them, but deal with them constructively and with good advice.